telling me this isn't a full-blown restaurant. They're not about to help. But, guys, this is so cool. I love them. Hey guys, oh, there's me. Guys, I just feel so amazing. Highly blessed, okay? And never stressed. Count your blessings. This is how long the train is. And you see, I started down there. Now I'm like over here, right? And then there's all that over there. So this is about the middle section. You want to be over here or that way towards the front. Don't want to be towards the back, okay? Just a tip from the New Yorkers. Soon to be me. It's me already. It's me. This is the line. Do you see where it goes up there? I don't know. Guys, look. We are here. What are you doing? This is me. I've been here in line. Because it's pretty cold, y'all. Look at this. I love this. This is giving Mass Ave. A meat market, guys. We're looking at the Indian cuisine. Here we go. It's giving ambiance. Look at outside, guys. Right here. They have an egg rating. Come on. First course is chips, okay? And so we got this special, right? And it comes with wine and then like the food, whatever. So this is the wine. They give you option between red and white. And the Merlot. This is 13%. Drunk, you feel me? I got olive oil.
Just make sure there's no meat in there.
And Ross. Arthur's Tavern, guys. They just performed jazz stuff. Got this from this place. It's hot water. Gotta check it out. Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
Just got my gin and Coke. Spilt it a little bit. What's filling? Just got married right here. They just showed me wedding pictures. It was so beautiful. She's Keller Gillens. Her name is Emily. Your face. And what do you find? A producer making videos. Girls, this is for your train stuff, okay? You look on here, and when you're on the train, it also has this map, okay? So just pay attention to the upper part of the train. It has all of this information, and you can watch as this little white dot moves down, 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 down. Okay, love you. Today, we're headed to Prospect Park. Very peaceful here. People are sitting, playing with dogs and children. Being here is so amazing. This is a beautiful tree. Look at her roots. Like, They're everywhere. Like, you can see how they connect to these ones of that tree, and it just goes to show. And this is just on the surface. Get in touch with the trees. Really, really hold them. They have access to so much information. Like, they're connected all over the world. The nerve endings of the world. Look at these pretty hands and this beautiful tree and this beautiful sun and this beautiful park. And they're up there doing sound stuff. It's amazing. That's how it's done, guys. Just hearing my echo. Marco. Hello. Found me. You're wondering, Brooklyn at night. Just leaving the library. On the way to the train. So guys, today is Thursday the 10th, and I'm standing outside, being beautiful, of course, because it's 100 the best. You feel me? Look at these lashes. They're giving lash blast. And the edges, of course, and the necklaces, and the boobs, and the belly button. Everything is giving everything. And it's so fall and cute. Such a nice temperature today too. So I'm looking forward to eating. Look, this is where we came from, okay? You just got up. UPS store right here. Gosh, it looks so brown and all this brown. It's giving brown. That bite is actually spicy. Okay. The Barclays Center. My new home, guys. I love it here already. The vibes are my vibes. It's giving immaculate. Yes. Fly with him. Brooklyn at night. There's a little hotel down there at the Barclays Center. The Atlantic something. Lasagna. He makes lasagna there. If you need, oh, this smells really good. It's goodbye to New York for now. Goodbye, New York. I love you so much. I'll see you very soon. I love you so much. I love this place. This is really home. So I'm going back to visit LA, and I'll be back home soon. Y'all, one more pro of coming to Burbank instead of LAX is that this is the extent of the airport. It's really tiny, right? So I'm sitting here. This is like by Terminal B. That's Terminal A, literally right there, right? You see, this is Terminal A. And then I'm right here, somewhere up here, I should say, Terminal B. And they pick you up right here. And I came out from over there by, damn, it will focus. Anywho, that thing that's not focused, that sign that's bright, says Building 9. And that's where I came out of from over there. And I walked over here, and this is where they picked me up. At LAX, you gotta walk far to this lot, and then wait with all the other mofos that's trying to go home. So 10 out of 10 recommend this. If you can do it, do it.